A lot of people and businesses will have all kinds of exports, one for every month, one from every bank, or every store you do business in. And so, combining all of your information usually means a lot of copying and pasting. But that gets old really fast. And if you aren't paying attention, you can easily make a mistake, like accidentally switching columns. So in this video, I want to show you a way to automatically combine your sheets into one master sheet using Excel Automate. You don't even need to know how to do macros. Now, here's what we'll get at the end. One nice and clean table telling us what tab it came from, just in case you want to check. And don't forget, if you want a copy of the script to use, just go to my website to download it absolutely free. The idea behind this automation is pretty simple, as we're assuming every sheet has the same structure, like when you get monthly reports. Then we combine them together into a new tab. So first, the automation checks that all your tabs have the same columns. If you're using exports from different platforms, then just make sure to keep only the columns you need and rename the other columns that you're keeping. Then the automation will track which tab each row of data comes from. This is handy for when you get transactions that look a little iffy, so you'll definitely want to double check them. Okay, let's run it. Without us copying and pasting, it's getting the headers in the right order, grabbing all the data we need, and putting it into our master table. I know copying and pasting doesn't sound very complicated and easy to do, but the wasted time does add up in the end. All right, there we go. Nice and clean at the click of a button. Now you have a complete data set to explore your data instead of multiple sheets or files. This is the perfect foundation for other reports or dashboards you might want. Maybe something like my super simple profit dashboard, which is in our next video.